How do you calculate sphere surface area? Have you ever wondered how to find the surface area of a sphere? It might sound tricky, but it's actually quite simple once you know the formula. Let's break it down together. To calculate the surface area of a sphere, you use the formula. Surface area equals 4 times pi times the radius squared. In this formula, the radius is the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on its surface. The symbol pi represents a constant that is approximately equal to 3.1416. So, what does this formula mean? A sphere is a three-dimensional shape, much like a perfectly round ball. And like flat shapes such as circles, a sphere has a curved surface all around. The surface area tells us how much space the outer surface occupies. The reason we multiply by pi and by the square of the radius is that the sphere's surface can be thought of as 4 times the area of a circle with the same radius. This helps us understand how the surface area relates to the radius. If you know the diameter, which is the distance across the sphere through its center, you can easily find the radius. Just divide the diameter by 2, and you are ready to use the formula. Let's say the radius is 3 centimeters. Plugging that into the formula, we get surface area equals 4 times pi times 3 centimeters squared. That simplifies to 4 times pi times 9 square centimeters. When you do the math, you find that the surface area is 36 pi square centimeters, which is approximately 113.1 square centimeters. What if you only know the volume of the sphere? No problem. You can first find the radius using the volume formula, which is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Rearranging this gives you the radius as the cube root of 3 times the volume divided by 4 pi. Once you have the radius, just substitute it back into the surface area formula. Understanding how to calculate the surface area of a sphere is useful in real life. For example, if you want to know how much paint you need to cover a spherical object or how much wrapping paper to use for a spherical gift, this formula will help you. So, next time you see a sphere, remember that calculating its surface area is just a formula away. You can impress your friends with your knowledge of geometry and surface area calculations.